Climate change, an undeniable reality, now has shown a very catastrophic disaster all over the world. The consequences are really unexpected. These are the top 5 countries that their population are at risk due to flash flood. Number 1, Netherlands, 2, Bangladesh, followed closely by Vietnam. Number 2 and number 3 are the Asia country. And if you look at the right side of this global map, Southeast Asia region, staggering of 1.24 billion of people at risk. What was once an unexpected event now has become a new norm, a new reality. Imagine as you return from work, you do not have any ideas that the road has been affected by flash flood. The result? Stranded vehicle, heavy traffic jam, valuable time loss, and the most heartbreaking cases, life lost due to flash flood, happen almost every year. Minasama, konnichiwa. Today we are here to introduce FLASHNET, a comprehensive solutions that leverage space and ground technology to enhance vehicle safety during flash flood events. Our technology combines database preparedness, mitigation, and real-time decision-making to ensure you and your asset stay safe. FLASHNET, our cutting-edge solutions, collect near real-time data from imagery satellite, particularly Himawari. At the same time, our ground device collect accurate real-time ground information. These two data will be sent to FLASHNET cloud platform for further analysis. Our AI forecasting algorithm with the ability of 98.7% accuracy, able to predict error at risk within 60 seconds. Once flood threat is detected, early warning messages will be sent to all potential affected vehicle users via satellite-based navigation with Shibiki satellite. The system provides alternative route navigation for preparedness and mitigation. So this is the comprehensive solutions of FLASHNET, leveraging space and ground technology to enhance vehicle safety during flash flood events. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year of 2020, the total cost damage of vehicle due to flash flood has staggered almost 100 million of USD in Southeast Asia region. This is not just a statistic, but it's a promise to automotive industry, especially their business continuity plan. When it comes to FLASHNET revenue and projection, we estimate a reach of 5 million vehicles installed FLASHNET in Southeast Asia, with the installation cost just priced 100 USD per vehicle, projecting a revenue of 2.5 billion over the next 5 years. On the hardware front, we estimate a reach of 10,000 locations our ground devices to be installed in Southeast Asia, with the price of 5,000 USD per device, projecting a revenue of 25 million over the next same 5 years. FLASHNET is a software and hardware-based solutions, and to make this mission a success, we partner with the best in the industry. This partnership consists of product enhancement, scalability, and global expansion. And further to enhance this partnership, the ability of FLASHNET to provide TCFD data, making it an attractive collaborator for those organizations that want to enhance their climate resilience and sustainability. We have been on this mission since 3 years ago, starting in 2021, when we noticed the imbalance in climate nature. Our effort began with prototype development, the ground device. We did proof of concept in our local community, and now we focus on automotive industry for sustainable and resilient urban network transportation. Looking ahead, FLASHNET isn't just for one field. Technology potential can be transcended into other areas, agriculture, insurance agency, and even warehouse logistics. The potential are boundless. Well, to make this mission a success, these are the people behind FLASHNET. We are very committed to use space and ground technology to combat climate nature. Again, FLASHNET isn't just a technology, it's a beacon of hope for a better and sustainable future. Thank you for your time. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.